Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to understand your W-2 form. This essential document summarizes your annual earnings and the taxes your employer withheld throughout the year. It is a critical piece of information you will need when preparing your income tax return. We will go through each section step by step, ensuring you feel confident about its contents and purpose. Understanding your W-2 is key to a smooth tax filing process. Next, let's focus on your personal details. Boxes E and F contain your name and address, while box A shows your social security number. It is absolutely vital that all this information is 100% accurate. Any discrepancies here could cause delays or issues with your tax return. Take a moment to carefully review these sections against your personal identification documents to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Now, we move to the financial heart of your W-2. Box 1 reports your total taxable wages, tips, and other compensation for the year. Box 2 indicates the total federal income tax your employer withheld. Further down, boxes 17 and 19 will show your state and local income taxes withheld, respectively. These figures are paramount for calculating your tax liability or refund, so pay close attention to their accuracy. Finally, the last step is to thoroughly review your entire W-2 form. Double-check every single box to ensure all numbers and information are correct. You will typically receive 3 or more copies. Copy B goes to the IRS, Copy 2 is for your state tax department, and Copy C is for your personal records. Keep your copy safe, as it is an important document for your financial history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.